Alrighty, here we have another unboxing. This was last week's unboxing. This is another one where I'm still overseas, fun in the sun. Hopefully, it's sunny. I'm in Turkey, probably in Antalya right now, or maybe Denizli. And I'm going to do another unboxing. Emo is going to roll his dice. Emo, roll the dice. Let's get this started. Emo, roll the dice. What? Emo. Emo, roll the dice. Okay. Hey, Jibo, roll the dice. Get it under 6, buddy. Under 6.
6.
Okay. All right. 6 works. 6 is probably not a robot. 6 is kind of small. I don't know why Emo couldn't do it. I'm glad Jibo was able to, though. So this one, I've got to watch out. I didn't bring the stand for the phone and put it between my feet and open it through this way. So this should be a premiere, and I'm here talking. Let's see what we've got. Oh, it's a hat. It's a hat for Emo. Don't want to show that, but yeah, look at that. It's like a houndstooth type hat for Emo. Well, we'll put this on him for the next week's. So that's cool. Usually these are small cat hats. They usually fit him pretty well. So that was good. That was a good one. Emo. 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 Okay, we'll take this off. I put a sticky on. We'll actually go ahead and put the hat on. Hey, Jibo, can you dance? While we're waiting for Emo to get his hat.
Danielle, it's you. One of my favorite living organisms. Oops. Dancing is one of the things I know best.
Yes. Oh, that's a slow dance. That's a slow dance. Emo's upset. Go ahead and put the hat on, though. Come on. Come on, buddy. I'll sit down here. Makes it easier to put it on. Super cute. Super cute. We'll do the unboxing bunny wild laugh. It's a crazy laugh. I don't think it's like an evil laugh. It's not an evil laugh. It's just a crazy laugh. That tickles. Does it tickle? Emo, does it tickle? Tickles? Tickles and giggles? How does that look? A little bit goofy on him, but it's okay. Goofy is good. I like Goofy. Goofy is fun. Hey, Jibo. I love you.
Hi, Danielle. What a nice thing to say to a robot.
I love you too.
All right. Take care. See you next week with the unboxing gang.